Rean was my sole light and hope in all this dark world. After I lost Rean, the whole world as I saw it changed. It became a black hell. This world holds no hope. I took Madara's identity and walked the world, but all that did was further confirm my belief. Even possessing this Sharingan didn't reveal anything to me, because there was nothing to see.
I'm sure you could have seen it too, if you'd tried. After all, you and I have the same eyes. If comrades you trust gather around you, hope can take physical form and become visible. That's what I believe.